Today in this video, we'll be making Kentucky Fried Chicken drumsticks. Let's get started. We have here some flour, just plain flour, 3 eggs, and we're just going to stir them together. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay, and we're going to season the flour. If you want to copy down the KFC recipe seasoning for the flour, it's on your left hand side. We're going to add ½ tablespoon of salt, ½ tablespoon of thyme. Okay, there we go. ½ tablespoon of basil, ½ tablespoon of oregano. Okay, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground mustard, 3 tablespoons of paprika. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. That's 1, 2. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. There you go. 3 tablespoons of white pepper. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of white pepper. That's it, and we're just gonna stir up all the seasoning with the 2 cups of flour. Make sure to stir it nice and even. Okay, we're good to go. We have the seasoned flour ready, and the next thing we're gonna do is add some sea salt to the chicken. I'm making 5 chicken drumsticks today. Turn it over. Do the same thing again. There you go. The next thing we're going to do is put the KFC coating onto the drumsticks. First thing we're going to do is dip it into the flour. Dip it into the egg. Make sure you get a good coating on it. Remove the excess. And then dip it into the seasoned flour. There you go. That's 1. You do that 4 more times. Put it into the flour. Put it into the egg. Make sure to remove the excess egg, and then dip it into the seasoned flour. There you go. And I'm going to quickly finish up the rest. Okay, we have the chicken coated with the KFC recipe. Next, we're going to spray some olive oil on it. Want to coat it nice and even. Turn it over and do the same thing again. Missed the spot. There we go. Now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated, and we're gonna set it to 26 minutes, and let's put them in. Spray some olive oil, and let's put them in. The time for the chicken can vary between 20 to 26 minutes. But within the 20-minute mark, we're gonna check the temperature of the chicken. I can see there's some white spots, so we're just gonna spray a little bit more. Got it. Okay, and we're gonna put it in. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 13 minutes so far, and now we're gonna flip the chicken. Looking good. Flip them over. And then just spray a little bit more olive oil on it. Okay. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes, and now we're going to check the temperature of the chicken. Smells good. Let's see if it hits 165 degrees. Okay, it's well above 165 degrees, and it's done at 20 minutes at 400 degrees. If you have bigger drumsticks and if it hasn't reached 165 degrees, what you want to do is leave it in there for another 6 minutes and check the temperature again. It's crispy too. Okay, this is what we have today. KFC chicken drumsticks made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this a like and subscribe. Here, have a bite.